Two female cops had to flee for their lives when a man reportedly attacked them with a machete at the Lucy police station in Hanover Monday morning. The man was later shot and injured after he also attempted to attack a sergeant, the police said. The injured man, whose name police have declined to release as he has not been charged, has since been hospitalized what is expected to be booked for the attacks. Information reaching Observer Online indicated that around 8:40 a.m. a woman constable concluded her duty and left the police station. Upon reaching a short distance away, she was accosted by a man with a machete. The man reportedly ran towards her and a machete in his hand. She ran into the police station guard room and screamed for assistance. The man reportedly followed her and approached another woman constable who was sitting at the front desk. That policewoman fled to an office at the station. The sergeant, who was on supervision duty, was walking along the roadway when he heard the commotion and approached the guard room. Upon reaching the guard room entrance, he was reportedly met by the attacker, who had a machete in his right hand. The sergeant instructed the man to drop the machete, but he disobeyed. The man raised the weapon, advanced towards the sub-officer and threatened to blood him up. The sergeant, in fear for his life, immediately pulled the service pistol and discharged 2 rounds in the direction of the man, who fell at the front of the station, clutching the machete. The machete was retrieved from him. It was observed that he was suffering from gunshot wounds to the upper body. He was rushed to hospital and admitted in serious condition. None of the cops were hurt during the ordeal, the police said. Police are reporting that 2 people are under investigation following their arrest in connection with the seizure of 2.3 kilograms of cocaine in Mandeville, Manchester on Sunday. Police said that about 7 p.m. a search for a motor car was conducted with 2 people on board, leading to the discovery of the cocaine hidden under the driver's seat. Police said the cocaine has an estimated street value of $70,000. Police said the 2 suspects were placed under arrest on reasonable suspicion for the breaches of the Dangerous Drug Act, and their names are being withheld pending investigations.